It's good to have all kinds of experiences. It's good to have, negative experiences, challenging experiences, experiences which hurt us, because these experiences are going to make us stronger ultimately. Hi, hope you guys are all doing good. So, previously we tried attempting live, it was a failure. We couldn't continue with our discussion. We tried attempting Zoom. Again, there were issues with connectivity and all. But as you guys know, where there is a will, of course, there is a way. So let's have this recorded video. I'm sure I'll be able to upload this video on YouTube. So we have so many points to discuss. In fact, I have been noting down certain talking points in my notes for this live session. Anyways, I'll try to sum them up, and you are more than welcome to post comments right beneath this video. I'll personally review them. Okay, let's start our discussion with Anku and Tenku. So I actually wanted to introduce Anku and Tenku at the beginning, but promise I'll do that at the end of this video. So Anku and Tenku, they are my neighbors, and they take study club discussions every week in our study club. Okay, so that's all I can say for now. The joy of giving love. When you love someone, I'm not sure to what extent we do good to them, but I'm 100% sure that we're going to do good to ourselves in the process. When you exude love, like attracts like, when you exude love, you'll only have that joyous experience. This I particularly felt when I met my pets after 3 to 4 months' time, thanks to this lockdown. All I had was love. All I had and all I have is love. And all I experienced and all I'm experiencing is love. So it's definitely a joyous experience which I wanted to share with you guys, because that's what I felt. The joy of giving love. And also I wanted to highlight this. What makes you stronger? Often we're worried about a negative experience or challenges, but take my word, it's good that we're facing negativity. It's good that we are facing challenges, because these negative experiences, these challenging experiences, or the experiences which hurt us, have the potential to make us stronger, take my word. So what makes us stronger? We all wish to be stronger. We all wish to grow stronger day by day. But if you're trying to escape from all the negativity and all the challenges, that's never the right approach. That's what even I personally felt. It's good to have all kinds of experiences. It's good to have, negative experiences, challenging experiences, experiences which hurt us, because these experiences are going to make us stronger ultimately. And the power of holding on. Sometimes when we face so much negativity and so many challenges, we just get carried away, and we feel like there is no hope in sight. But nothing can be further from truth. Take my word. All you need to do is just hold on. Just pause, hold on. Because when some bad music is being played, why entertain the same? Just pause the music. Just pause your experiences. Take a break. Pause it. Give time for yourself. And you'll see yourself eventually overcoming those challenges or negative experience, and you'll definitely see signs of hope and positivity. That's the power of holding on. That's the power of pausing the bad music that's being played to you. And before I conclude, previously I discussed about MC principle. I wanted to highlight the same once again, because I've been getting several reviews regarding it, and it's actually very encouraging. So, minimum criteria principle. Set your own criteria and then accomplish your daily targets or weekly targets according to those criteria which you set for yourself based on your time availability and convenience. And of course, you can get back through mail for any further assistance in this regard. And Ultimately, if you look into the bigger picture, as I keep on highlighting, it's all about enjoying what you're doing and then considering this preparation phase as an experience or as an opportunity for you to master as many concepts as possible at the undergraduate level, so that you can lay a stronger foundation towards post-graduation rest of your professional career. And this can be made possible when you work hard, when you work consistently, and most importantly, when you believe in yourself. So, coupled with these factors, when you enjoy the process and when you consider this preparation phase as an opportunity, there is no turning back. And you will accomplish each and every task, each and every goal, not by chance, but by choice. That's what empowerment is all about, isn't it? So these are some of the aspects which I wanted to highlight in this specific video. Where there is a will, there is a way. So before I conclude, let me introduce Anku and Tenku. So here we have Anku. Hi Anku. And Tenku. Hi Tenku. So it's been literally 3 to 4 months since I met them again, and as I said, it's a joyous experience. So Anku and Tenku has something to say. So let's hear from them and then let's conclude this video. Hi everyone, how are you? This is your Anku. I love you. Hi everyone, this is Tenku. I love you too, and I love Anku too.